You're the pretty baby. She, right? She's smiling. Hi, baby. Look, baby, come here.
Oh, look, babe, you're missing it.
Oh, I got that. Look at her little nose.
Tiny little baby.
She has a little button nose. She was laughing earlier, the baby was. Oh, wow.
Aww. That's awesome.
Doing kitty rolls down in the moat.
Yawn one more time.
They were here like 2 days ago. Yesterday or 2 days ago, something like that. And they were just laying around. It was so cold out here.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Man, that lion's freaking huge.